Good morning everyone. It's been a while since we last saw each other. The last time I saw you was in Siquijor in Dumaguete. It's been a few months already, but we are back with another trip. And for this video, I'm going to take you with me to one of the most beautiful islands in the Visayas in southern Leyte. Let's go to Limasawa Island. Limasawa Island is located south of southern Leyte. To get there, book a flight to Tacloban. When you arrive at the airport, ride a jeep to 7-Eleven, then take a van to Maasin Terminal. Buy your groceries at Metro, then hop on a multicab to Padre Burgos Pier. From there, catch a boat to the island. It's going to be a long ride, but stick with me because it's going to be an amazing journey. A 10-hour ride might sound like a lot for an island trip, but trust me, it's worth every minute. I met up with Betty and Krisha, grabbed a quick breakfast, and we all pretty much slept through the flight. After about an hour, we landed at Tacloban Airport. From there, we hopped into a taxi and headed straight to 7-Eleven, where vans bound for Maasin usually wait.
Like an actor with scripted lines, absorbed in his own designs, too anxious to make an effort to relate. I made you a promise I'd see.
Finally, after a 6-hour van ride, we arrived in Maasin. This is the biggest city nearest Limasawa Island. We were greeted by none other than my beautiful friend Icy. We had lunch at diners before heading to Metro to pick up some groceries, and from there we hopped on a multicab in the same Maasin terminal and made our way to Padre Burgos Pier.
Just a kid before the show would take its shape. You gave me a sister to love her, a lost older brother to save. Can we take a drive tonight down the roads that bend?
We are now here at the Padre Burgos Terminal dito sa may Pantalan. It took us around 9 hours. 9 hours na tayong bumabiyahe. And from here to Limasawa Island, another hour. So medyo matagal talaga yung biyahe. And currently, hindi ganun kaganda yung panahon. Medyo maalan. Pero inalaw naman nila na umalis yung mga boats. So doon na rin tayo sasakay. By the way, ang babayaran natin is 150 pesos per person. And if you're a tourist, you have to pay 65 pesos environmental fee.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
We just arrived here in Limasawa Island. It's already 4 p.m. and yung sinasabi ko kanina na sobrang worth it. Yung mga biyahe natin, it's more than that. It's more than what we've expected. Sobrang ganda kahit umuulan. Yung accommodation natin nasa likod, nasa tapat siya mismo ng beach. And tomorrow I'm going to ask kung magkano yung rates nila kasi property to nila IC. And sobrang ganda niya guys. And the community, yung mismong place, yung Limasawa Island, sobrang ganda. I can't wait to explore with you guys. Pero for now, magmerienda muna tayo.
Welcome! Thank you!
Hello guys, it's 7 p.m. already and we are back here in Villa Amore. Yun pala yung accommodation natin ngayon. And what we did is nagliwaliw lang kami sa labas. We went to Icy's home and we also checked out yung mga pwede nating makainan around the area. There's not much. Actually, isang restaurant lang yung nakita natin. So, I highly suggest na magbaon kayo or mag-grocery kayo katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. And for now, let's eat dinner. Good morning everyone, it's our first full day here in Limassol Island and I woke up to the sound of the waves and the beautiful nature. For today, we are going to visit Magellan's Cross kung saan hineld yung unang Catholic Mass dito sa Philippines last March 31 of 1521 and we'll also explore the island. But for now, let's have some breakfast and as promised, let me tour you around our place here in Limassol. It's called Villa Amore.
Stuck in the night with no end, but I'll be alright. Come on in.
Villa Amor is located here in Barangay Kabulihan, malapit lang sa port, around 5 to 10 minutes tricycle ride and it's so beautiful, nasa tapat siya ng beach. So every morning if you want na maligo sa beach, nandito lang siya and this is where we are staying. It's good for 4 people but if you're a larger group, you can rent yung other property nila which is that one. It can accommodate 11 people daw. Ito yung room paakyat. There are 4 beds inside. Hindi ko na kayo maipapasok doon kasi tulog pa si Betty and Krisha. Tapos meron ding CR doon where you can take a bath. And then, nandito yung kitchen area. It's an open kitchen. Pwede kayong magluto for an additional cost. And dito rin yung hugasan. And then, ito yung dining area where you can also lounge. Merong ref for you. Tapos, meron ding other kitchen appliances that you can use. May initan ng water, rice cooker. If you would like to book this accommodation, ililink ko yung mga details nila down below in the description box. It's only for 2,000 pesos, maximum of 4 persons, so only 500 pesos per person per night. And if you intend to add another person, I think additional 500 pesos. But the beds, only good for 4 people lang siya. But if you're a larger group, like I said earlier, you can book yung other accommodation dun sa may tapat. It can accommodate up to 11 packs. I highly suggest na i-book nyo to accommodation na to guys kasi it's closest to nature. It's just in front of the beach and there's a lot of things that you can do. You can cook, you can lunch, and you can actually work here. Malakas yung internet nila. By the way guys, pro tip, if pupunta kayo dito, ang pinaka-recommended is Smart kasi yung Globe halos walang signal dito guys. Anyway, let's have some breakfast first. Hi guys, so it's lunchtime already. We're heading towards Pink Apple kasi hindi na kami nakapag-prepare ng lunch. That's one of, if not the only one, restaurants here in Kabulihan. I think may mga restaurants sa ibang barangay pero ito yung malapit kaya nilakad na lang natin. Let's go! Ayos, bakit hindi na ito yung original na cross daw nung ano, yung mismong Magellan's Cross?
Pinalitan na. Very informative. Yun ang masabi ko.
By the way guys, 450 steps pala siya pababa and yung nakikita nyo ngayon is the shrine. Then yung side na to is yung Magallanes. You can also have a view of the ocean, so sobrang ganda niya.
Dito mismo ang site ng First Mass. So dito nila nireplika yung cross. So bago sila si Magellan nakarating sa isla, is may nakatira ng raha dito. Ang aming raha ay ito po si Raha Kulambo. Ito si Raha Kulambo, sir. Ito ang kanyang statue. Si Raha Kulambo is galing sa Indonesia. Pagdating sa Pilipinas, dito siya nagstay sa isla. Pagdating niya ni Kulambo, kasi binata pa siya, ang pangalan ng whole island is Masawa Muna. Yun ang unang pangalan dito. Sa panahon na si Raha is binata pa. Pero pagdating pagdating ng panahon na sila Hakulambo ay nag-asawa ng 5 karina, yun ang dahilan nga ang isla is naging 5 asawa. So yun, pagka-kompleto sa 5 kaasawa, nag-isip-isip naman sila nga ang whole island, i-divide na po niya o kalima is because 5 ang asawa, every barangay doon pinatira ang asawa, ginawaan ng bahay at yun din ang pangalan ng every asawa ng bahay ng barangay noong 15th century. Pero ngayon is may kamaguhan na.
Kain muna tayo guys. Ito palang mga pop-up na to is para lang sa fiesta dahil March na ngayon. I got coffee which is ubos na, tapos may mga soda drinks din, and then pizza. We are back here in Villa Amore. Babalik na lang kami dun mamaya sa Magallanes to have dinner. And by the way guys, yung dinner pala nila dito is usually hanggang 7 PM lang, tapos nagka-close agad yung mga karinderya or restaurants. And update sa weather, medyo mas okay na siya ngayon compared kahapon. And I feel like tomorrow magiging full-blown sunny day na siya, although the AccuWeather is saying otherwise. For now, we will try to magpalipad ng drone para makita rin natin yung itsura niya on a bird's view.
I'll be your distance, I'll be still, I'll stay quiet. If it's the path of least resistance, I'm sure it's right. And if you're calling from the dark 'cause you can't stand to be alone, are you the voice inside my head? You the ringing on my phone? Am I strong enough to build your castle alone? Long way around.
Dinner time! May nakita kami dito sa Magallanes na sa mga pop-up na inihaw na manok. So we got pecho or wings. Ay, pecho or paa. Pecho is 145, tapos yung paa 135. Tapos only rice na siya guys.
Dalawang diffuse pero may basura card. Bigyan mo na. Wala akong ganda ng card ko eh.
Good morning everyone, it's beach day today and it's already our second full day here in the island, and finally the weather is already perfect. It's a perfect sunny day today and perfect para mag-beach. And although may beach sa harap na accommodation natin, we'll try to visit yung mga beaches dito sa Limasaw Island to see kung ano talaga yung pinakamaganda. I think mayroong entrance fee dun sa mismong Dak Resort and it's on another barangay, and I will take you with me later doon. Yun yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga TikTok videos, and usually yun yung mga nasa mga photos sa mga vlog. So later papakita ko siya sa inyo, but for now let's have breakfast. Breakfast today, it's sunny side up, maling, and then Java rice.
Java rice pero white.
Fried rice. Tapos nag-press din kami ng Brazilian coffee. Let's eat guys!
I can't figure out how it all comes down, how it all comes down. And when we all found out, we ran to your house, we ran to your house.
Oh my God! Sobrang ganda! Gosh! Wow! Sobrang ganda ng view. Yan, 50 pesos lang yung entrance fee tapos 500 pesos yung cottage. Bale, ito yung cottage nila guys. It's only for 500 pesos kahit ilan na kayo magkasya dyan for day use. Tapos ito yung beach. Sobrang ganda. Oh my gosh, halos walang tao. It reminds me of Palawan kasi sobrang blue ng water tapos ang ganda ng view. Yan o, maraming cottages dito. Tapos, they also have rooms for night occupancy. May 1.5, merong 4.5. Inquire na lang kayo sa kanila. It's so nice. It's already 1 p.m. guys. 30 minutes after we arrived here, it started drizzling and currently sobrang lakas na ng alon. Sobrang lakas ng ulan, and that's something that you might want to consider when you're going here. In this island, you might want to check the weather before booking the trip. In our case lang kasi, we booked this last month but we were planning about it months or years ago pa even. Ice has been inviting us to go here and we just didn't have the time to do that. But now, tutuloy talaga kami, umulan man or umaraw. And kanina medyo maaraw. Actually, we thought na magtutuloy-tuloy na yung araw. Ngayon, umuulan. It's still a vibe though. We're just chilling here in the restaurant. We're waiting for our food. But later pa siya isa-serve kasi medyo busog pa kami. So sabi namin, medyo later na i-serve. And currently, I'm just having coffee. This is for 120 pesos. Ang gamit nila is M&S, so brewed coffee siya. Pwedeng hot, pwedeng ice. You might just want to request for ice. Lunchtime! We have here halang-halang. Isda ba to?
Chicken.
Chicken na maanghang. Halang in Bisaya is maanghang. And then we also have fish na grilled na mukhang prito din. Weather update, wala nang ulan but the skies are still gray. Ang daming sky ah. Let's eat!
Lost your head. I can't believe another word you've said. Let's just promise that I'll leave this dead. I can't lie, but I can't help you see. I can't afford your rent, it's too heavy. The room inside my head is too costly. You take your luggage and I'll take the key. I know you love it, but I disagree. The cage I was locked in, oh, not like prison. It left me in despair.
We are back here sa tapat ng Villa Amore. Hinanap namin yung turtle. May nakita na naman si Ice kanina sa Dakdak Beach. May nakita silang dalawa but I wasn't able to see it. May parang characteristic yung turtle na
Matulang te.
na alam nila na turtle.
Tae. Tae yun.
I can't lie, but I can't help you see. I can't afford your rent, it's too heavy. The room inside my head is too costly. You take your luggage and I'll take the key. I know.
So we have humba. Ito siya. Rice of course. And then pansit gawa ni Ate Jess. Tapos ang humba gawa ng mommy ni Icy. Thank you, moms. Ay, hindi ba?
Tidora. Tidora.
Yung humba.
Kapatid nila na ni Bato.
Gawa ni Auntie.
Yung kapatid ko. Sure ka? Di mo nag-warm up yan?
Good morning guys, it's our 4th day here in Limasawa Island and we're currently here sa tapat ng beach. Dito namin nakita yung turtles kahapon. We've seen total of 3 turtles and I was hoping to see it pero sabi nung mom ni Ice is Tuwing high tide lang pala nagpapakita yun kasi ngayon low tide. And currently ito yung view natin, sobrang ganda. It's so beautiful. Imagine waking up to this view every morning. Sobrang swerte ni Ice. For today pala guys, we are going to the lagoon. Sabi ni Ice, yun daw yung pinaka-favorite niyang place dito sa island. So we're going there. But before that, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Breakfast time, we have hot dog, omelette, sunny side up na toasted, and then young pork tocino.
Nilait pa yung
Trying out mga kakanin dito sa Limasawa. So this is kalamay tapos maha. Pero ito iba siya sa kalamay ng Bohol kasi kamoting kahoy siya gawa. Kinamay ko na.
Ano yung masakuan siya?
Ang sarap.
Nga talaga.
Ano yung akin yung kamon?
Madami siya tapos merong bits ng kamoting kahoy. Parang suman na kamoting kahoy.
Tell me what if I never get to hold it, the moment in the way that I want to.
Sobrang ganda dito guys.
And it's hard to show it when all I have could disappear in the night. It feels like I'm running on a treadmill, running round in circles. What the hell am I even doing this for? I get so hard to ignore. What can I do?
Alright guys, we are now here at the Island Lagoon Resort dito sa San Agustin, Limasawa Island, and ang entrance fee is only 35 pesos, and if discounted for PWD and senior citizen, it's only for 30 pesos. And if you're staying for the night, you have to pay 50 pesos, additional 15 pesos lang naman. Tapos they also offer rooms for overnight stays. Ililink ko down below yung mga prices, and prices ng mga pinuntahan natin dito sa Limasawa in general, nasa description box yan. And there's a lot of things that you can do aside from cliff jumping, aside from just chilling. Pwede rin kayong mag-rent ng kayak, pwede rin kayong mag-rent ng banana boat, and kayak is I think 250 to 500 pesos. Ililink ko rin down below yung sure na prices. And ayun, tara, let's explore this beautiful resort here in Southern Leyte. By the way, yung mga nakikita nyo pala ng mga rocks dito sa likod natin, naaakyat yan siya and you can do cliff jumping. Later, ita-try natin gawin yung mga yon. But for now, let's chill and let me tour you around this beautiful place. We are here at the other end of the resort. Pwede nyo siyang puntahan and i-explore. Pwede rin kayong dito bumaba para mag-swim. And currently, medyo malakas-lakas yung alon. So, hindi muna tayo pupunta dito. And by the way, meron pala silang table dito that you can also rent. Yung cottage kasi is for 500 pesos. And ang ganda niya guys, so, kasi it's a vibe. Tapos, meron siyang puno na ganito. It's so nice. Tapos, ito yung itsura ng mga rocks na pwede nyong akyatin again for cliff jumping. Currently, we're the only ones here. Sabi ni IC, marami daw talagang pumupunta dito, especially kapag summer, and we're lucky enough na kami lang yung tao. Solong-solo namin yung place, and guys, it's such a beautiful place. Pwede ka magstay dito for the whole day kasi ang dami mong pwedeng magawa. And masarap din dito mag-chill. Also, take note, malakas yung internet nila na Globe dito. So, if you want to work virtually, then this place is also another option. Lunchtime, so we're having kinilaw na tanige, inihaw na tanige, mali, inihaw na fish, kamoting kahoy, tapos yung kalamay, and then rice, and yung dadyok na innards ng pusit in olive oil. Tapos may pork din dito. Let's eat! Meron tayo ditong dadyok, innards ng pusit, tapos may olive oil, tapos may onions and tomatoes. Sobrang sarap din ito.
Yung dadyok, sa ano lang yan, sa nukos. Na parang ginamos
Bagoong.
din. Bagoong na nukos. Pag bagoong, ginamos yun sa akin.
beneath our feet. Every step a rhythmic beat. Hand in hand, we find our way with the ocean's gentle sway.
We're done swimming, guys. We enjoyed our stay here in the Island Lagoon. I highly recommend that you visit here if you're in Limasawa Island. Actually, most of the tourists that go here, they just go here to take photos and just enjoy the view for I think less than an hour. But if you have more time, I suggest na magstay kayo dito half day or full day kasi ang dami yung pwedeng gawin na fun. Pwede kayo mag-cliff jump, pwede kayong mag-kayak, pwedeng banana boat, pwede rin mag-chill lang if you're not into activities. Sobrang nice dito. So, highly recommend na mag-visit kayo if you're in the island. Ayun lang, guys, after here, we are going to Magallanes to check out yung mga booth nila for the fiesta, and we're looking forward to see kung anong pwede naming mabili, like pasalubong, yung mga kalama, yung mga dito lang makikita sa Limasawa Island. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. We're now here in Magallanes sa may isang bahay dito. Nag-order lang kami ng halo-halo. Ang cute makita, may cornflakes yung halo-halo nila kasi usually 'di ba pinipig. Pero naalala ko nga before cornflakes yung nilalagay. And then ito yung in-order namin ng coffee, tapos isaw doon later. We just came home from Magallanes and this was what greeted us. Sobrang ganda ng afterglow. It's the first time that we've seen this kasi medyo maulan nga in the past days.
Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So I have this thought.
Good morning, guys! Day 5 and we rented a pump boat for 2,000 pesos para ikot kami sa buong island because we wanted to see the island from a perspective nang nasa boat kami, and hihinto tayo sa mga beach stops na isasuggest ni IC. I think it will include Dakdak Beach and other beaches na rin sa south ng island. So tara, samahan nyo kami.
That I want to, and it's hard to show it, and all I have could disappear in the night. It feels like I'm running on a treadmill, running round in circles.
This beach is so nice. Literally kami lang talaga yung tao when we docked here. And ang ganda niya ng pag-stayan, especially if gusto mong magmuni-muni. So if you're interested, isama nyo siya sa boat trip nyo or pumunta kayo dito via land kasi accessible din siya via land. Just have to hike for around 10 to 15 minutes I think, and then dito kayo patungo. Sobrang nice dito na magmuni-muni if you're going through something, gusto nyo mag-isip-isip, punta lang kayo dito. Doon yung bandang South Parola, and then dito sa other side is yung north. So ayan siya.
Just when I think I've learned it all.
Ang sikip. Hey guys, you're back here in Dakdak Beach Resort. This is probably one of my most favorite beaches here in the island. And binalikan namin to kasi yung iba namang nasa list ng boat tour is mga napuntahan na rin namin. So pinili na lang namin yung mga gusto naming balikan. I suggest na you do the boat tour as well aside from the tricycle tour kasi you get to have a different perspective. From a boat perspective naman kung gaano kaganda yung island. In one day, malilibot nyo na siya just like the tricycle tour. I would also suggest na you stay more than 1 or 2 days because it's one thing to visit and tour the island but it's another to discover its culture, its beauty because knowing Limasawa Island for the past few days, it has been such a wonderful experience. So I suggest that you take time if you have the luxury to stay here at least 3 or 4 days.
And from running out the back door, I cannot forget the things you say.
Hey guys, at dahil may time pa kami bago tayo pumunta ng highest point later in the afternoon, let's try to roam around the island and see kung ano yung pwede nating makita at magawa. Using, of course, yung motor nila Ice. Let's go.
Should've known it was coming, known that it wouldn't last.
So from Kila Ice, nag-drive lang tayo papunta dito sa Magallanes. I think mga 10-minute ride lang. Ang pinakamahirap lang na part is yung paakyat pero eventually magiging maayos naman yung daan and isa pa, yung road dito is okay naman siya. Yung mga paakyat lang kasi medyo matarik and we're here in Magallanes. Let's see, check natin if we can have coffee or milk tea. So tara.
Say it over and over again, hoping someday finally believe in myself. Could you hold me just for a little bit longer? Promise that I will be over you after tonight. Promise that I will be and in the moment, thought that I saw something more right. Pictured a life that could never be mine. Wherever I go, I'll be sure you weren't meant for me. It wasn't meant to.
Hey guys, we are at the peak. We hike for about 15 minutes papunta dito. Nag-tricycle kami papunta dun sa may pinaka-entrance tapos nag-hike kami around 15 minutes. Medyo matarik. Pero ang ganda ng view. It is so beautiful. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Gave to see it's the weight of all the world you tried to keep.
Kakagaling lang namin sa peak or sa highest point and nakakapagod yung hike to be honest and I am not sure if it's super safe kasi medyo madala siya especially maputik ngayon so I highly suggest that you go there ng nakapants kasi madamo, and may tungkod if ever kasi wala masyadong makakapitan going up and down. Mahirap siya pataas, mahirap din siya pababa, but the view is worth it. You will see the view of Limasawa Island. It is so beautiful. And ngayon na dito kami sa Pungko de Cebu. They offer mga fried food. Tapos meron din burger, milk tea, and coffee. This is one of the few kainan dito sa island. So try natin siya. Grabe guys, it's already our 5th day here in the island. Hindi ko naramdaman yung oras, pang 5 araw na pala natin, and we still have 2 days left. And halos lahat na libot na natin dito, napuntahan na natin, and I'm so happy that I get to travel again. I hope someday I get to visit this beautiful place kasi you deserve to see and feel its beauty, guys.
More than you know, more than lies beneath the sun.
Good morning guys, it's our last full day here in the island, and although tomorrow pa yung flight natin, maaga kasi tayo tomorrow aalis dito sa island kasi mahaba yung biyahe, around 6 to 7 to 8 hours depende. And for now, sulitin natin yung buong araw na to, our last full day, chill lang tayo, and let's have the best day ever here in Limasawa Island.
When our time is finally come, I lay my eyes beside your love. Baby, take me home. Take my hand. More than you know.
Low tide ngayon yung beach. Our last morning here, I can't believe it's already our last day. We're having sunny side up, corned beef omelette, igado, nokos, and coffee. Let's eat. Our last lunch. Kinilaw na flying fish.
Pati yung buntot.
Sasasaputas yung ano lang, yung laman lang.
Taon pagkaon.
Ito.
Hala, ikaw di ka rin ako makakuha.
Ibigay ko to kay Icy. Ibigay ko to kay Icy.
Ay, humol no.
Oo, kay Aro Pagkalasa.
Ipanghumol na maguban.
Baka ayaw nilang. Uy, gagaway, rait!
Ay, hindi na dyan ka noon kaya na may mga unggo.
Parang sashimi lang yan.
Oo. Ay, ito, maliit.
Naagibidyuhan na ba mo?
Sashimi lang.
Ito nga ta.
Para makakating na.
Nanginginig.
Hindi, ganyan talaga. May pasmado eh.
Hindi.
Yan na
Bidyuhan.
yung puan naman ni Nico. Sir Vince.
Inzi, gila.
Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog now. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something about the Limasawa Island, and next time you get to visit this beautiful place. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!